Hello everyone, welcome to Harsha Lectures. In this lecture, I am going to explain you about diameter of binary tree. Coming to this diameter of binary tree question, here they given the root of a binary tree, written the length of the diameter of the tree. The diameter of a binary tree is the length of the longest path between any two nodes in a tree. This path may or may not pass through the root. The length of a path between two nodes is represented by the number of edges between them. So coming to example 1, they given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to find out the diameter of the binary tree. Suppose here diameter is 4 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 3. Here the length of this way is 3, and from 5 to 1, 3. The length of 5 to 1, 3 is also 3. So we need to find out that. Suppose here in this root they given input 1, 2, the length is 1. Sorry, the diameter of this binary tree, or it might be the length of the path is 1. So we need to find out that. To find out that, first we need to create one variable, max equal to 0. Okay, so here I'm just creating one method name, max depth root, and here I'm returning the value return max. Okay, now I'm creating private data type is int, and max depth. In this max depth, I'm going to insert tree node. In this tree node structure, I'm mentioning root. Okay, so in this private method, what I can do, I can compare the root value with null. If it is equal to null, then return 0. And I'm creating two variables. One is left. For left variable, to find out the length of the left subtree, I'm inserting max depth root dot left. Okay, and I'm creating another variable, that is right, and here also max depth root dot right. Okay, with the help of these two variables, I can able to find out the left subtree length and the length of right subtree. Both will be stored in left variable and right variable, and then here max equal to math dot max. Here I'm mentioning max comma left plus right. Okay, and here at last I'm returning math dot max left comma right plus 1. So now I will run this code. Yeah, accepted. Now I will submit this. Yeah, success. So coming to this, what I did is, first I created one variable, that is max, and coming to this diameter of binary tree method, I just created one method name. In that method name, I inserted root, and here I given one return statement, that is max. After that, I created one private method first. In this private method, I start comparing root value with null. If it is equal to null, then I'm going to return 0. And again, I just measure the left, and means I created left and right variables. In that, I just measured left subtree and right subtree, and both I compared in this. And here I just mentioned max comma left plus right, and here in this return statement I just compare left subtree and right subtree. So the resultant value at last I'm adding plus 1. So by implementing this logic, we can able to find the diameter of binary tree. If you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section, and please do like and subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.